Tired of digging through your pockets for exact change? Or worse, fumbling for your cards at the cashier? You're not alone. In a world rapidly going cashless, a new payment method is gaining traction, FavePay. But where exactly can you use this digital magic? That's the burning question, isn't it? Let's dive in. Imagine this: you're craving your favorite burger joint, but you've left your wallet at home. Panic sets in, right? But what if I told you there's a way to savor that juicy burger without breaking a sweat? Enter FavePay. It's like having a digital wallet at your fingertips. But where can you wield this digital weapon of convenience? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the obvious: food. FavePay is your new BFF when it comes to dining out. From fast food chains to fancy restaurants, chances are your favorite eatery accepts FavePay. Think about it: no more waiting for change, no more card swipes. Just open your app, scan the QR code, and voila! You're a payment ninja. But food isn't the only place where FavePay shines. Let's talk retail therapy. Many fashion stores, electronics shops, and even supermarkets have jumped on the FavePay bandwagon. So, the next time you're on a shopping spree, keep an eye out for that familiar FavePay logo. It could save you precious time and effort. Now, let's get a little adventurous. Did you know you can use FavePay for services too? Yes, you read that right. From salons and spas to gyms and entertainment hubs, FavePay is making waves. So, whether you're pampering yourself or catching a movie, you might just be able to pay with a simple scan. But wait, there's more. FavePay is expanding its reach rapidly. New merchants are signing up every day, so the possibilities are endless. To stay updated on the latest FavePay hotspots, keep an eye on their social media channels and website. They often share exciting news about new partnerships and promotions. So, there you have it. FavePay is more than just a payment method, it's a lifestyle upgrade. From satisfying your cravings to treating yourself to retail therapy, FavePay has got you covered. But remember, the list of places accepting FavePay is always growing, so keep exploring and discovering new ways to use this convenient payment solution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy FavePaying.